100 million people are now being displaced.
And the movement of people is accelerating right now.
By 2050, projections is going to be around 200 to 250 million people displaced.
So we're on the verge of a major population shift across the planet.
And this week, we had the opportunity to engage in conversations with people who are actually on the ground.
Most of them have a more holistic perspective of the problem.
Making them understand the complexity of humanitarian situations.
The economical aspect, the social aspect, the political aspects.
The role of architects and designers is really to listen to the people who are affected by the crises.
When I was a student, no one was really interested in that kind of the field. But now, many young student architects are joining us.
We have to be the one who help them.
Change the paradigm to come from shelters to more permanent.
People come to camps, they live in camps, they marry in camps, they get children in camps.
Give them an opportunity to have really not only a shelter, but really a home.
Refugee camps can offer opportunities to the migrant to participate in the economic life of a community.
We came to the workshop and we asked the students to provide temporary shelter in high volumes quickly.
And then we provided them with 3 separate scenarios.
It was a great environment to exchange ideas, foster knowledge.
If architects are able to get sufficiently informed about the reality of the world in crisis, they will be able to definitely change the way we operate in crisis.
The students clearly want to push the boundaries of what architecture can do.
We wanted to make people in the center of our project before the design.
The mind of the young student and architect are changing.
And I feel that they can be truly helping the communities.
We need to listen to the user of these spaces.
I would highlight the public debates. It was really wonderful to see how many people conscious of this humanitarian sector.
I've been truly amazed by the outcome.
So socially, I think they have very good ideas. On the technical, some of the ideas were absolutely brilliant too.
This generation has a lot of potential to change.
We don't want to produce just concepts and ideas. We want to bring this to the benefit of people that are displaced.
So displacement is one of the key challenges of our generation to work with and to resolve. And I think that they will. This is a generation of architects that will push things forward. And this is much needed.